Everybody, this is Ryan. Welcome back. Welcome to the investing channel. In tonight's video, I thought we'd revisit SLP Coin. There's a lot of coins that are green as of today, March 8th, 2022. A lot are green, finally. So hopefully it continues. So I thought we'd do another update to see if there's any potential for any potential profit that I could take, okay? I think there is. I'm seeing a few things. Okay, so I'm going to share that with you guys. For those of you guys that are new, that's what I do. I jump into trades for crypto and with stocks, and I let you guys follow me on my journey. So I'll share with you guys the charts. I'll let you guys know why I'm picking my entry and why I'm picking my exit so that you guys can see what I'm doing. And for those of you guys that are new, you're going to want to continue to watch. Trust me, you're going to see some stuff that you haven't seen before. Okay, I'm not joking. I'm seriously. Okay, so if you have not yet subscribed, you can subscribe over here. There's a little red button over here in the corner of the screen, and then smack that bell when it pops up and click all for the notifications so that you're notified when I come up with the next video. Plus, at the end of this week, I'm having a drawing for a free men's wallet, and I'm going to populate that here on the screen right now so you can take a look at that. So if you guys are interested in that, I'll share with you in just a moment how you can opt in to receive that. I'll mail it to you guys, okay? All right, so let's go ahead. We will continue. We'll look at SLP, and if you have any friends that are in on SLP, send them a link to this video when it's over with. Okay, let me share my screen with you guys. Here we go. All right, here's SLP. And real quick, let me talk about the giveaway here at the end of the week. The only thing that you would need to do to enter is two things, okay? The first one is just below this video, a little bit to the right of center, there's a thumbs up icon. If you could just click that with your mouse, tap it with your finger if you're on your phone, that helps me out with the YouTube algorithm, but it also lets me know that I'm providing you guys helpful information and that you want to enter in for the giveaway for the wallet, okay? The second thing is over here on my Instagram account, it's called Investing Points. So if you guys are not yet following me over there, head over to Instagram, go to Investing Points, and you'll see a little button here that says follow. Just click follow, and then send me a private message and let me know. Just say the word wallet, okay? If you want to also do it in the comments of the most recent video, it doesn't matter. Just do it in the most recent video, but just put wallet if you don't know where to put it in the DM, okay? And then that's it. You'll be entered, okay? All right, so let me keep moving on SLP. Oh, real quick. These are all the videos that I've been doing for a lot of people. If I can't do full on 8-minute, 10-minute videos, I just post them over here so that you guys can get a quick look at them, okay? So you can see a lot of people are coming in here and looking at these lately, okay? All right, so let's go here. Okay, so this is SLP. I'm in TradingView. If you're not yet using TradingView, I've done some videos on different indicators to help you guys out. And you guys can see that over here on my channel here. I've got all sorts of videos. Just so you know, the reason why I told you that you should subscribe if you're not yet subscribed is that I do price predictions. And look, took profit, took profit, took profit, took profit, took profit, took profit. These are all coins that I did videos on the days prior. And you can come in here and you can see some of these other coins that I've been doing videos on. I even got took profit, 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 took profit. So I'm good at picking entries and exits. That's why I suggested that you look over here in the corner of your screen on the bottom right-hand corner and click subscribe, okay? Okay, let's get over here and do that chart real quick. All right. Okay, so for those of you guys that are new, let me turn off this indicator here real quick. Okay, when I draw certain bases on this chart, more often than not, and usually it's even more often than not, they'll swing back up and they'll touch that line or go a little bit beyond it, okay? And let me prove to you. Okay, so when price action drops below this base right here, what does that indicate to you? It indicates a great time to buy in and then ride it up, right? Back to that line. And here's another one. It broke this line, came down, came back up. It broke this one just for a moment. It came back up. It broke this one, swung down. Everyone's selling over here. And then what it did as soon as they sold, it came back up and it even went further up. Okay, here's another one right here. It broke, came back up. A little one right there broke and came back up. This one broke and came back up. So I'm going to start moving quick here. It broke here, slid back up. It broke there and slid back up. It came there and slid back up. It broke down over here and slid back up for a quick one. Here's a little one. Here's another one. Here's another one. Here's another one. Let's see here. Here's one right here. Here's one right here. Here's one right here. Okay, here's one. Here's a couple right here. There's one right there. There's one right there. I mean, look at, there's a whole bunch of them in here. So if this is new to you guys, please look down below the video and click that thumbs up sign. If you haven't seen that before, I'm going to explain it a little bit more in detail, how it pertains to me, okay, on analyzing coins. So you can see here that it broke this base back over in July, but it has not come back up, right? But more often than not, it's coming back up. And I've seen these things, you know, go almost a year, like kind of like this one. A bunch of them broke down in May. They swung back up in September. Some other ones are just starting to come around now. But this is kind of what you can determine. This is how I look at things. So what I do is I do my entries when I break these bases and then I wait for the swing up. Now, if I buy down here at 0.018, and it's up right now 3.35% for the, well, 3.9%, well, keeps changing for the day, I could buy and I could hold for it to come back up to 25 cents. I have a pretty strong belief that it's going to get there. It's just going to take some time. I mean, that was back in July. So, yeah, July. So what can I do? I could, rather than waiting forever, this is what I can do. And I'm going to show you guys some profits in here too, okay? We're going to calculate this out. So stay with me. Don't leave yet. So this is kind of where we're at. We can see this one right here, base broke, went all the way down, way down. Everyone was freaking out. Everyone's like, should I sell? Should I sell? Some are selling. And then what they do when it sold, boom, shakalaka, went all the way up, all the way from down here, all the way up, started trending down again, but it came back up, right? It came back up right there. It came back up right there. It came back up right over here for that one. For this one, it came back up over here. For this one, it came back up over here. For this one, it came up over here. Okay. So we just have to give it time to play its game. That's why when they say buy the dip, that's what you're doing. You're buying the dip. Okay. So for me, I could jump in at 0.018. And then what I could do is I could write it up to any of these little levels right in here. Let me spread this out. And I'm going to calculate it here in just a moment on my spreadsheet. So I could do a quick one right here. And if you guys want to get your cameras ready, get your cell phones ready, because I'm going to need you guys to, if you want to take a photo, you can, okay? You don't have to write all this down. I wrote it down for you. So I could jump in now and I could take a profit here, or at this one, or at this one, or at this one, or at this one, okay? Let's see, that one's at 0.276. And then I think there's one even up here at 0.373, okay? Now, I think it ultimately is going to get all the way back up to 0.25, but, well, there is even a couple more here. I could take profit here, 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 or here, and there's even some higher. But rather than waiting for it to get all the way back up, why don't I start collecting my money now? As it's climbing over the months, I just reach in, grab my money, put it in my pocket, jump in again, grab my money, put it in my pocket, okay? So let's go ahead and see how that calculates out. Here's a quick spreadsheet. I always do this before I jump into some trades. I have the 0.018, the entry price. So I have the coin. I have the amount options to invest, how much I want to invest. I got a few different scenarios here. If I put that much money in, this is how many coins it's going to provide me. I just type in my entry point and I type in my exit point. So based upon this right here, if I just go up to, let's say, what was it? This one right here. So if I just go up like 3 lines, it doesn't take that long. The last time it hit that line was on February 22nd. So, you know, not too long ago. It could easily hit that in a day. So 0.0227. Let's go take a look how much that would make me at 0.0. Let me see, 0.0227. Okay, on a point, just that little jump, I could make $65 on $250 investment. Out of 500, I can make 130. On 1,000, I can make 261. Now watch, this is going to get interesting. Okay, so that's 20%, 26% on my money. Let's say I want to write it to the next line up. Let's say I want to change it to 0.022. Well, we'll go to 0.0225. 0.0225. Watch how these numbers change. So now on 1,000, I'm making 250. I'm making 25%. Now let's look over here. You guys, if you guys want to take a photo of this right here, stop the video. These are the options. Okay. These ones in blue are longer weights. Okay. It's not the very top, but it's longer weights. These other ones are a little bit more realistic that you could get to, you know, hopefully in a few months. Okay. So let's go 0.02. Here, let me get this 0.0275. 0.0275. Watch the numbers in green. Boom. So on 1,000, I'm making 53% of my money. Okay. Now let's go to 0.037. 0.037. So now on $1,000 investment, I'm making 106% of my money. I'm making $1,000 back. Now, if I want to go up even higher, if I have plenty of money and I'm just like, you know what, I'm just going to sit back and wait. 0.0567. 0.0567. There we go. 215. Look at that. On $1,000, I'm making double, over double. And if I want to go up to the next one, 0.0624. Look at that. It just keeps jumping up. Hopefully you guys can see that. Let me blow it up here. All right, what's the next one? 0.0698. And then ultimately, and you can see that right here, you can see the percentage profit. And then I'm going to go 0.0764. And I'm making 324% of my money at 0.0764. Let's go see where that is. So that is all the way up here, roughly. It's a little ways away to climb, but it's not as much as having to climb up to here. So that's an option. That's an option for me if I want to just sit back and wait, put 1,000 in and wait, put 500 in, whatever. Let's see what $250 is. So $250, if I wait for that 0.0764, I'll make 324% of my money. I'll make $811, but I might be holding, I could be holding for like 3, 4, 5 months. So, you know, I like to take profit on these lower levels because they can hit faster, and it's already been down for, you know, well, over half a year, because it broke all the way over here at the end of July, and we're still waiting for it to come back. And if I run my analysis based upon these bases and cracking, you'll see any coin that I do, they almost always come back up unless something major happens to the economy, unless there's something happening with the company where like it's going out of business. So just something to think about. So if you guys have found this video interesting, please remember to subscribe, send a link to your friend, and don't forget to sign up for that wallet, okay? Remember, I just needed to hit the like button once. If you've already done it, don't worry about it. And then head over to my Instagram account, Investing Points. I just set this up a couple days ago. Click follow. And then in the latest video, if you want, just say wallet, okay? And then I'll have the drawing here at the end of the week and I'll just mail it to you, okay? All right, guys, thanks for watching, and good luck on SLP if any of you guys are in on it, okay? Take care. Bye-bye.